Okay, this is July the 1st, 2016. We're halfway through the year, and we're watching the western U.S. Rainbow loop, the infrared loop. And I wanted to show quickly what's going on here. We have a huge thunderstorm system right over southern Nevada near Las Vegas, Henderson, in this area right down here, and also the Hoover Dam, Colorado River area right here. But notice what's happened to this thing. It's been completely erased. This was targeted with microwave, and we're going to take a look at that. As everybody knows, the drought in the west is very severe. We have dams all through this area right here, beginning with Hoover Dam, all the way down the Colorado River, and yet they're blowing this thing apart right as it's skirting California right here in the eastern Sierra, and it's being killed off. So let's go ahead and look at this up close. We can see this is the west central rainbow loop, the infrared loop. We can see that this thing is superheated and the entire system just implodes and disappears. And if we go over to the map, the telecast map, very quickly, we can see that right here, there's nothing happening live. This is the live Doppler radar. There's a lot of rain over here in eastern Arizona and New Mexico. They're letting that occur. They're letting the rain fall, and there's no problems there with the rain. But right here where we need it in the west coast, in this area of Hoover Dam, they're focusing their efforts right here to stop the rain. Now, if we look at this in the visible light mode, let's go ahead and run this for a second. Run the loop. You can see the photoshopping right before the night to day transition. There's all sorts of overlay and sparkly looking overlay right there. Now, if we stop this and scroll through it very slowly, we'll get to see the dimple marks. See the photoshopping right there. Right here, you can see where they hit it right there and over in this area. And there's also some craters here that have been previously hit before we had that night to day transition. So they've hit all through this entire area. There's even there's a shock wave up here. So, but mainly focused down here. There's some good detail right there. And then right here is a second. You can see the crater expand out. If we go back, whoops, I just refresh that. Let's try this again. All right, so here we are right down here. And here's that second crater. And the entire system is erased. Okay, so let's go ahead and roll this tape. Here's the water vapor loop. And we can see the color change. There's actually a little bit of amber color right here, indicating the intensity of that water vapor right down here, right over Las Vegas. Now, there was a lot of flash flooding. They were showing this on the news last night. Flash flooding in Las Vegas, in that desert area, a lot of rivers were overflowing and so on. But with the drought situation the way it is, it's surprising that they're allowing the rain in Arizona to happen, but yet right over Hoover Dam, if they had let this go on for a couple of hours, that would have filled a lot of, that would have put a lot of water into that dam. But they killed this one off. So anyway, that's the pretty much the report for now. We can see the bigger map. Everything is, there's high pressure right over Texas in addition to right over Mexico. We were talking about high pressure. The hub of the high pressure was right here last night, but also there's high pressure here, which I failed to mention, and that is helping to wind all this weather up and around and out to the east. Right here, they've got a pinwheel going right here, and so there's nothing getting into California to begin with. The little bit that it, excuse me, the little bit that is being destroyed right here. So, here's the water vapor map for the entire Northeast Pacific. And we can see that there's still a disturbance here. I don't know if it's marked. I haven't looked at the Hurricane Center map, but this is still being attacked with microwave. We can see the blast pattern right on this eastern side. And we have this low pressure spinning out here. This has seemed to have gained some momentum. We can see some moisture wrapping around and getting into the core of that vortex. Also, we have some what looks like moisture right over the Hawaiian Islands. Go out to the Hawaiian Islands here. Let's see if we can get out to. See if we can take a quick look at what's going on here over the Hawaiian Islands. It looks like there's some scattered showers out there. All right, well, that's good. Hopefully they'll get some rain out there. All right, so that's the report for now. And we'll just leave it right here. And we can see that huge thunderstorm just being completely blown apart. There's nothing left of it. And we go back out to the, back out to, see that here in Nevada, there's just nothing. That's very effective. The microwave completely stops the rain right here. There's nothing there. There's a few little returns showing up in this area, but really nothing where we need it right down here by Hoover Dam, right up here. Okay, that's it.